Hello, welcome back to my channel. First things first, we have a couple things to go over. It is May 22nd and the bucket drink came out at Dunkin'. I wonder if any of y'all are getting it. Like, what was your experience? Did you try to go and they were already sold out? I just think that's a lot of coffee. I don't like coffee though, really. But also, speaking of Dunkin', if you got the free medium coffee, that does expire the 24th, so in 2 days. And then we have I have a rebate down below in the description box for buy two Goya products. You'll get $2 back. Roberta sent me that and she found it. I think it was from Sisters Saving You Cents. I think that's their YouTube. Also, for anyone complaining about the Ibotta, I saw in one of the Facebook groups that I scrolled past, like, there was a whole bunch of people complaining about the gas rebate, about how, like, the first time around they got $28, and this one they only got like $1 or $4, whatever. I'm happy with $4. I missed out on the first time because I didn't know about it, and yeah, I missed out, but I'm thankful for the $4 I got. It's better than the $1 that a lot of people got. So yeah, and just be careful. There is only a limited amount of gas stations, or like certain gas stations, that you can use it at. $4, like, whatever. Gas is expensive, okay? Everything's expensive, but like gas especially. But there's a printable breakdown just in case you do want to check it out. And there is that subscribe button, the hype button, do all the things, man. Like, I try my best. Anyway, without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. So I just bought some Built Bars at Meijer, but I've never tried these ones. I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna put them back. So this is a repeat deal, but I did grab these. These are $2.97. We have $2.97 on Ibotta, a max of 3, plus it's on Walmart Rewards, so I'm gonna be grabbing 2 sets of 3, and I would be grabbing the Puffs bars on clearance if we didn't have these, but these do expire at the very end of Friday, so if you want these, definitely run, because these are good. So I don't know if this is actually gonna work or not, but this muscle milk is on clearance for $6. On Checkout51, we have $3. On Spikebucks, we have 300 Spikebucks. And the criteria says any 4-count, 11-ounce container, which this is. So we'll see. I actually really like muscle milk, so hopefully this goes through, because it would be completely free. So the next deal is kind of a repeat from last week. We're going to be grabbing these Dial antibacterial plus hydrating hand soaps. They're $2.47 on rollback. We're going to actually grab 2 of them, and I use 2 of these hang tag peelies, whatever you want to call them. So grabbing 2 of them before the coupons will be $4.94. After the coupons, I'll pay $2.94. I'll submit to Ibotta for $1. It's a limited one. On Spikebucks, we have 200 Spikebucks when buying 2, making them both completely free. So this is our first freebie. It's on the Dentist, or Made by Dentist for Kids electric toothbrush. It's $16.97. On Aisle, we have a free offer for this, so I'm super pumped about it, because I got the free offer from Target, but literally the same day they said they ran out of offers. So yeah. Plus, we have $3.50 on Ibotta, making it a $3.50 moneymaker. You can also grab the Made by Dentist toothpaste. They're not priced, but I believe they should be $4.97 according to the Walmart app. So you'll grab 2 for $9.94. On Iowa, we have a buy one get one free offer, so we'll get $4.97 back. And then on Ibotta, we have $1 back on each one, making 2 of these $2.97. So shout out to Saving with Shay for this deal. She posted this Saturday, I want to say. But you're gonna grab 2 of this True Skin hyaluronic acid. It's the 1 fluid ounces. They're $14.68. You're gonna grab 2 of them. 2 of them will be $29.36. You'll submit to Ibotta for $4 back on each one. On Swagbucks, there's a little G word where you're going to get 12,000 fetch point or 12,000 swag bucks on each one. So we'll get a total of $24. And on Checkout 51, there's a limit of one for this offer, but there's $3 back, making that $5.64 moneymaker. We have a great deal on Alka-Seltzer. If it's a product you need, you're going to look for this 24 count one. It's $4.67. You'll submit to Checkout51 for $2. And then on swag bucks, we have 200 swag bucks, which is $2, making this just 67 cents. Now, if your store doesn't have that clearance muscle milk, this is actually how I was going to do the deal, but I'm going to obviously grab the clearance one. But the muscle milk regular ones, like the newer packaged ones, are $7.98 for the 26 gram of protein. The 33 gram for the pro is $9.48. But grabbing the $7.98 ones, you'll submit to Checkout 51 for the $3, and then swag bucks for the $3, making this $1.98 for a 4-pack of protein shakes. I think that's a pretty good deal. So this month is Pet Month on Fetch. So randomly they're giving bonuses to different pet deals, and they're adding more. So one of them is on these Temptations. You can grab the 3-ounce bag. It's the cheapest option for $2.58. Grab 2 of them for $5.16. On Fetch, we have 4,100 Fetch points for buying 2, making them about $1.06 for both bags. Obviously, this is a new brand, but look how cute this little kitty is. I haven't seen any like deals or anything for this, but like I always browse and look for clearance. I saw this little orange guy. It's so cute. Clearance find on the Febreze refills. This is the 3-pack of the Luxe, 3 different summer flavors or scents, whatever. Clearance ready for $11. We have really good savings on Swallow 12 refreshers. They're $4.47. Grab 2 of them for $8.94. Submit to swag bucks for 500 swag bucks for buying 2. Checkout 51 has a limit of 1, but it's $1.10. Ibotta has $1.50, a limit of 1, unfortunately, making them $1.34 for both. Y'all, is it weird that I want to try sweet corn mac and cheese? This is a repeat deal, but I just want to bring it back, and I really like these. These are the Bush's Sidekicks. They're $1.67. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents, making them 92 cents. We have pretty good savings on these Chomps sticks. You can grab any of the 3. Well, these are the only ones my store has, but the cheapest one is the turkey one. So they're $2.28. Grab 2 of them for $4.56. On Ibotta, we have $2.56 coming back, making them $2 for both, or $1 per stick. Y'all, it took me a minute to find these Lovebird cereals because they're hidden. But you're gonna, these are super expensive at $7.37, and the box is like nothing in them. Anyway, they are like grain-free cereal. I've never tried grain-free cereal, but we're gonna try it. They're $7.37. You're gonna grab 2 of them for $14.74. On Ibotta, we have a buy one get one free offer, and then on Aisle we have a buy one get one free offer. So it'll make them both completely free. So the other thing I was looking for, I'm pretty sure my store doesn't carry anymore. It's the Dave Killer Bread Snack Bites. They were in this area last time I grabbed them, but they are $4.97. On Ibotta we have $3, and then on Fetch we have 1,400 Fetch points, making them roughly 57 cents. And you can grab a limit of 2 per Ibotta. So if you're doing any grilling out or cooking for this weekend or coming up, we have some Ibotta rebates on bread. So the first one is on this Artisano. I don't know how to say that, but it's on this brand of bread. There's rebates for buns, for rolls, and then for bread itself. Or if your store carries the Wonder Bread buns, or like the actual bread, it's like loaves of bread, I bought the rebates for that as well. My store doesn't sell that one, so I can't show you what it looks like. Alright, so we have a great deal on this Pepsi prebiotic cola. My store actually finally got it. They are on sale for $6. There's the cherry or the original. On Fetch, we have an offer for spend $3, get 3,000 Fetch points. Hopefully it's going to stack, and I'll get $6-ish back, making one of these completely free. Okay, I've never heard of this, but it's a Tyson chicken mix-em-ups, and they're sweet and spicy Hawaiian wings with pineapple and sriracha. They're on clearance for just $9 for this bag. It's a 2.5-pound bag. Easy deal on this Mulu protein cottage cheese. It says it's high protein, but we're gonna go over that in a second. It's $4.26. Submit to Ibotta for $1, making it $3.26. Now, if you look at like regular cottage cheese, like even this latte one, 13 grams, so it's not really that much extra cottage cheese. I feel like you're paying, this one is 13 grams, this Daisy one, I feel like you're paying a lot more just because it says protein. All right, we have like amazing savings on these restaurant edition Kraft mac and cheeses. They're $2.97 on Fetch. We have 4,000 Fetch points, which is roughly $4, making them roughly $1 moneymaker. So the last deal I'm going to share my store doesn't have. We're going to look for the 4-count of the Kinder Bueno bar. The store used to sell it, but apparently not anymore. They're $1.27. We have $1.27 limited one on Ibotta, making it completely free. Alright guys, this is everything I'm doing. I'm doing 2 separate transactions. That way I can use Walmart Cash, Walmart Rewards to grab an extra 3. There's a limit of 3 over there. And they'll be completely free as well, which is super nice. So let's go check out. All right, we're back in from checkout, and I mean, checkout went fine, but like the lady that was behind me, talk about rude. I had my receipts in my hand, and I was putting them in my bag. I didn't even have any of like the shopping bags put in my cart yet, and she's like already trying to scan her items, and I'm like, what are you doing? Anyway, so I grabbed 2 separate receipts. So I grabbed the set of 3 of the nutty ones on, or like whatever they're called, the Harkin bars. Yeah, the Harkin bars. So I grabbed 3 of these for Walmart Cash, and then I grabbed 1 of the Kraft mac and cheese on this receipt. So my subtotal was $11.88. Then I grabbed everything else on the other receipt. So bam, this is everything else. The dollar coupons for both dial came off. So this one was a whopping $105.47. So in total, both receipts came to $117.35 after those $2 coupons. I submitted to Isle for $7.37 for the cereal. Came back. Already said that it's the correct amount coming back. $16.97 for the electric toothbrush. Done deal, coming back already. And then $4.97 for the toothpaste. Done deal already, which is super nice. Then I submitted to Swagbucks. Now here's where we got into a little problem. Now I did screenshot the offer for the True Skin. I submitted my receipt, and it's saying I'm only getting 1,200 Swagbucks back, even though I put in that I grabbed 2. Now it still says, now they might be trying to update their system, but it still says 1 for 12. So I put in a ticket right away, like you can contact customer service. I did that. So I'm gonna be getting that $12 back. So as of right now, $22, but I will be getting that $12 back because I have proof. And anything like that, I mean, they've never really argued with me once I'm like, hey, here's a screenshot, and they're like, oh, here's your money. So any time that you're trying to do something, always have a screenshot. Then I submitted to Fetch for the first receipt for 6,000 Fetch points. Then the second receipt to Fetch for 4,000 Fetch points. Yeah. Anyway, so then to Checkout51 for $7.10. Then to Walmart Cash for $8.91. And then Ibotta. I almost forgot. I don't know why. I usually do Ibotta first. I totally almost forgot. To Ibotta for $33.03. My weekend dash cash was 12 offers for $5, making this a $10 moneymaker haul once I get my $12 from Swagbucks. Now, I did post that it said they will take like 6 to 12 days or whatever it was. Like, that's crazy. You better get back to me within like 2 days, because unless you fix this, no. Anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.